Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and it doesn't really matter if we will be on the photo or the video mode, we have to enter the settings. But before we will do that, I'd like to focus your attention on these strange lines. They're a special type of a grid line, and I have applied it before I've started the recording. It is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset, we have to enter the settings, as I said. And at the very bottom we've got the restore defaults option, so let's tap and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we will immediately get back to the camera, and as you can see the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Blackview Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.